northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, southwestern Licking County, until 7 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bexley, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Ease and hurry in for
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Minerva Park, Millersport, Grandville South, Fairfield Beach, Beechwood Trail, Easton, and Summit Station. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 100 and 131. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 104 and 105, and between mile markers 108 and 109. You are listening to NOAA Weather.